नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का द न्यूज नाउ में। मैं ही आनेजा आपके साथ। आर्टिकल 370 के खिलाफ याचिकाओं पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आज फैसला आ गया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट की 5 जजों की संविधान पीठ ने अनुच्छेद 370 को हटाने को चुनौती देने वाली याचिकाओं पर अपना फैसला सुना दिया है। आपको बता दें, सीजेआई चंद्रचूड़ ने यह कहा कि जम्मू और कश्मीर भारत का अभिन्न अंग है। उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि केंद्र के फैसले पर सवाल उठाना उचित नहीं है। राष्ट्रपति द्वारा लिया गया फैसला वैध है। अनुच्छेद 370 मामले में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि आर्टिकल 370 जम्मू कश्मीर के संघ के साथ संवैधानिक एकीकरण के लिए था और ये विघटन के लिए नहीं था, और राष्ट्रपति घोषणा जो है वो कर सकते हैं कि अनुच्छेद 370 का अस्तित्व समाप्त हो गया है। आइए सुनिए।
A judgment is a decision which gives reasons to arrive at and reach a conclusion. By that stretch, my order is not a judgment. We have only two judgments. Both judgments are in seriatim and uniformly agree that Article 370 of the Constitution of India was a feature of asymmetric federalism and not sovereignty. Article 370 was enacted as a temporary provision and did not have a permanent character. The abrogation of Article 370 does not negate the federal structure, as citizens living in Jammu and Kashmir do and will enjoy the same status and rights as given to citizens residing in other parts of the country. Paragraph 2 of CO 272, by which Article 370 was amended by taking recourse to Article 367, is ultra-virus and bad in law, albeit it can be sustained in view of corresponding power under Article 371D. More importantly, Article 370 has been made inoperative in terms of Clause 3 to Article 370. Lastly, CO 373 is valid. I have agreed with what Justice Chandrachud has said, Chief Justice has said with regard to Article 356 of the Constitution of India. I have also made reference to Rameshwar Prasad and others versus Union of India and others, with which I respectfully agree. I also agree with the conclusions recorded by Dr. G.Y. Chandrachud, taking record of the statement made on behalf of the Union of India for restoration of the statehood of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir while upholding creation of Union Territory of Ladakh. Then I have agreed with Justice Kaul with regard to interpretation on Article 370, Clause 3.